You're doing 50 miles an hour over the top of the water in a 75-foot boat, supported by something the size of an ironing board keeping you foiling. So yeah, when you put it like that, it's absolute nonsense really, isn't it? My name's Freddie Carr. I've been involved in the America's Cup for 20 years now. I've done 6 America's Cup cycles, and I feel like I've stepped from a world where the America's Cup was very slow in monohulls that went 10 miles an hour everywhere.
Yes, can we do it?
And we're now in this amazing world where the boats fly above the water and we do 60 miles an hour everywhere. So I feel extremely privileged to have lived in the sport when we've been through this massive change.
The America's Cup, the symphony of sea and sky and sail.
So the America's Cup is the oldest trophy in international sport. It was first raced around the Isle of Wight in 1851, where there were 14 British boats sailing and 1 American boat sailed. And that 1 American boat won that race around the Isle of Wight, and Britain has never seen the America's Cup since. It then went on to be held by the New York Yacht Club for the longest unbroken winning run in sport. And since then it's only been won by a few other countries, Australia, the Swiss, and currently with New Zealand. Ben has actually won the America's Cup before as a tactician in 2013. And that was under the Stars and Stripes with the Americans. And then he recognised that we have a huge wealth of sort of British marine engineering talent, sailing talent in the UK, and our syndicate has been running for 10 years ever since. Now we've been lucky enough to be involved with INEOS for our last 2 cycles of this campaign.
It's quite a sizable cheque, as you've probably read the numbers. I've said to Ben, it's rather a lot of money, so I'm going to be really disappointed if you don't win it.
Probably more in this cycle, it's brought us in a line with Mercedes Formula 1. With the INEOS Grenadiers, we've really fallen underneath the INEOS sporting umbrella. I think with that involvement with INEOS, all of the INEOS sporting family, with Ben's leadership on the water, we're in good shape going into the racing.